everybody, how's it going? Last week I took a little break from the daily vlogs because I am a firm believer in stepping away from social media and really unplugging. But while I was away, I picked up a new 2018 planner and I am so excited about it because I'm all about journaling and planning. So I love this one. This is what I use for daily stuff, planning out my weeks, my months, 3-month stuff, all that. But I actually have two more, right? But they're journals. So this journal that I also use on the daily is my ideas and manifestation journal. So these are things that I want, new fresh ideas I come up with, ways and tactics that, oh, I want to try this. All of that goes down in this baby right here. So love this one. And then I also have a third one. So the third one is my travel journal. There is so much to see. Am I right? So I'm really excited about this because travel became a really big part of my life last year because I became a digital nomad, left my apartment in Chicago and traveled all over Europe, and then I traveled all over the US, really. And so I have, like I said, there's still so much to see that I have yet to travel to. So I started writing down places I want to go. You know, when you see stuff on Instagram, you're like, oh my gosh, I want to go there. And I write those places down and also write like flight dates and all of that, so I can make sure and stay on top of that. So why have 3 journals? Some people are like, oh my gosh, why do you have 3 journals rather than just having one? So before I actually had one, oh wow, and I actually have it on my desk. This is my old one. It is totally coffee stained, right? It just shows like how unorganized I was before. So yeah, so this is like pages of like everything that's in these 3 journals. It's totally unorganized, totally just like random. It's all over the place. So this wasn't really working for me, right? This wasn't helping me stay focused on my goals and creating action plans. So that's why I decided to get more organized and have 3 different journals for specific types of things I'm working on. So this one I'm writing down all my ideas, and this one, you know, the daily planner is how I set my action items to make it happen, right? Because we can manifest, we can do all of those things all day, but until we have an action plan and have a way to get there, we're never gonna get there. So that is why I have 3 journals, and I want to share that with you guys, and hopefully that gives you some good tips of how you can stay focused, especially as entrepreneurs. We're all over the place. So if you have good tips about organization or productivity that you want to share below, that'd be awesome, and love to hear. I'm always looking for new ideas, so drop them in the comments. Thanks, guys.